What is good? Fuck, good. Everyone. Shoobs here. This is so scuffed. What is good, everyone? Shoobs here. Today we have whatever this shit is. What the fuck? This right here is the butter stick. Yes, that's right, the butter stick. Cause well, look at it. It's literally shaped like a stick of butter. Is that a keyboard in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me? God, even the page for this board is troll as fuck. But this is a Ortho 20% keyboard, and no offense to the 40s community or the Ortho community or whatever community this shit belongs to, but what the actual fuck is this? This looks like a goddamn macro pad. Like, if it was made for holding my resin, I would understand its use, but if you're telling me that you could actually type on this shit, you're fucking lying. Where's the fucking spacebar, bro? Where are the arrow keys? Where are the numbers? It's literally missing an entire row of alphas. What the fuck? Well, let's actually build this very special abomination and see if I can actually type a sentence using it. Today we're using the keyboard in the highest difficulty there is, the 20% Ortho difficulty. We're definitely entering Dark Souls 1000 PP double time hidden territory right here. Lord have mercy on my soul. This is going to be a wild ride. So according to the build guide, they suggest that I use lighter switches, light as in 20 gram actuation. What? Okay, well, I guess since this board is the ultimate endgame board, we'll be putting in black cherry pies. Who would have thought that the board that I build fully with black cherry pies would be a fucking butter stick? But considering the cost of these Franken switches, it's the most economical in a sense, because this board has like only a handful of keys. But for those that don't know the legendary black cherry pies, these switches are the ones that I always put on my spacebar. Like literally for every single build, I put this bitch in there. It produces a deep, thocky, and muted sound that I really like. It's made from a cherry top, cream stem, and a nylon JWK bottom. You can literally use any nylon JWK bottom. Today we're going to be using these matcha bottoms, which are just alpaca JWK recolors. You know, the recolors are PC top nylon bottoms, so these will just work just fine. Also, the springs are up to preference as well, but since the build guide is telling me that we need light springs, shit, I don't have 20 gram springs, so we'll probably be using the 45 gram springs that I have. It's the lightest springs that I have at the moment. Okay, I know I have those 15 gram bottom out ones from that one Osu video like 3 months ago. Those are basically unusable, by the way, but I don't know where I put them. They are lost into the dark abyss, just like my hopes and dreams. Oh yeah, I got sent these Switch tripod things. I think you put it on the bottom of the Switch and it's supposed to make it sound deeper. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're going to use it anyways, because you know this is a endgame build, right? Okay, here is the board. I honestly don't even know what kind of keycaps I should put on here. I guess we can go with GMK DMG since it's currently not in use, and I also have a spacebar kit, so we can finally use the one new spacebar, I guess. Oh, how the fuck am I gonna type on? Oh my god. What? Okay, so here is the board with DMG on it. With the space. What is this, man? What? This is unusable. Like. Just looking at it and trying to use it is hurting my brain. Oh my god, what the fuck? Okay, I guess we can go into QMK and try to program this thing so we can actually use it. Oh god. Okay, so I couldn't for the love of me figure out how to program this thing on QMK, but I realized that this board was usable with the default layout, so what better way than to use the board the way it was intended. So looking at the layout from the document on the Butterstick, the way it works is that you have to double press keys and do some kind of weird Street Fighter combo shit to truly utilize the keyboard like a actual keyboard. Like for instance, in order to write A, you press Q and Z together. Space is the 2 space keys together. In the middle, enter is the 4 keys right here together, and delete is V, B, and M, like so. And you know, my smooth brain cannot even begin to comprehend all these combos, so let's just try to, you know, figure out how to write basic shit. Maybe get 5 words per minute on monkey type. Well, what do I think of the board? Honestly, I'm pretty surprised to say that the board is actually fully usable, although at the cost of the very little sanity that I have left. I am a very dumb individual and I really cannot grasp all the combos for the board, and although I touch type, not seeing an entire alpha row really throws me off quite a bit. But with practice, I think this board is a very unique and fun way of typing. I guess this is what the Ortho linear users are drawn to, and I can understand how it could be fun, and maybe it is a more effective or ergonomic way of typing, but it's pretty wild. It's like actually playing some sort of video game. It's a very unique and new experience for me, and I sort of find it fun to try to, you know, try out things that makes me uncomfortable. Maybe I'm a masochist. So currently my highest starting score on monkey type so far using this keyboard was around 12 words per minute. I might actually do a video using this board, or at least practicing this way of typing on this board for around a month or so, and try to get the highest score or the highest word per minute possible by then. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see me suffer in that way, but overall I'm quite intrigued at the experience that I just had. I didn't think I would be saying this, but it was honestly quite fun. The goddamn fucking Butterstick, man. I legit thought this was just a fucking meme, but it's actually usable. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for checking out the video, and thank you guys so much for 68k. Took a little break for Thanksgiving break, and now I'm back. More content on the way very soon, more comedy videos, more reviews, and more Switch videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.